Hey YouTube, Vermont Prepper. I may attempt today to put on these spacers, Bora spacers, on my M1028. They will space out the tires, it's a dually, it'll space out the tires 2.5 inches from each other in the rear. So basically you take off the outside tires in the rear and then you put them on, tightening down with these bolts right here. I think you tighten them down to 135 pound torque foot-pounds. So and then basically, you know, these are lifetime warranties. I know that some feel that these will wear your bearings a lot faster. Of course, the guy who sold them to me said no, they don't, because they don't budge, they don't jiggle around. But I don't know. I'm mixed on that, but I don't really drive the truck all that much. I drive it some. So I'm not really too worried about it. And if I got to change the bearings, I got to change the bearings. But the bottom line is I need to space the tires because of inspection. And I wanted them spaced enough so that I can load out the truck if I need to. So 2.5 inches should be more than enough. My old tires did not need the spacing. They are the regular military Humvee tires, 37.5 by 12.5s by 16.5 rims. And I got the same Super Swamper size tires, but they, and you see them on previous videos, they actually have these side treads that touch each other on the inside. So uninspectable and really not safe. They can chew each other up if you leave them on there too long. So I haven't left them on there too long. We're going to give it a whirl and see how it goes. Alright, just to give everybody a refresher here, you see the tires, the new tires, the Super Swampers, and the treads right here, they're touching each other. Not good. So that's why I need the 2.5 inch spacers. What I'll have to do, of course, I'm going to have to get my high lift jack out. First time I'll be using that. And taking these tires off right there, so stay tuned. Here are the spacers I got. Bora. They're made out in the Midwest, and they're pretty cool. They come with a lifetime guarantee on it. So what I need to do is use these lug nuts that they provide and torque it on the existing lug nuts. This fits over like that, and I just torque those on to 120 foot-pounds, and then I put the tire on, and that's as simple as that. It's a very easy installation. It's just makes it a little bit difficult with the residual ice and snow on the ground, but it is near 60 degrees right now, so I'm not complaining. Here's the spacer totally torqued down, 120 foot-pounds as I mentioned before. And while I have the tire off, the second tire off, I'm going to put some air in the tires, all the tires, to increase it from 40 to 50 psi as it gets warmer, so I don't have to do it again when it gets warmer out. So I'll just run them at 50. I don't drive it all that much, so should be fine. So here's the final tire on the left rear put on. I already increased the pressure to 50 psi, and as you can see, nice clear gap in there. If you scroll back to the beginning of the video, clearly see the difference. Not touching at all. Don't have to worry about loading it down, so all good to go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe you learned a little bit of something in case you have one of these things. And if not, it applies to other vehicles as well that have dual tires in the back. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. From Out Prepper out. And as always, keep prepping. Wash your hands as well.